Welcome to Yatsina's channel. So I just filmed this look for you guys because I was taking some pictures from a new account with LiketoKnowIt, and I'm super excited to be able to contribute to their content. I absolutely love this site, so it's a dream come true. So I just did this look because I was going to show some hair products that I've been using, and I'll leave the link below so that you can check out my actual page with them. So if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. So the first thing I did was take my concealer, and that's the one by e.l.f. that I always use, and I just put some dots underneath my eyes where I'm going to need it. And then I took the Catrice BB cream, and I got that one new, so I'm just learning how to use it. And I just applied that around my face and also a bit where the concealer is. And because it's a cream, I decided to go ahead and use my hand to blend them all together. I find that just using your warm hand somehow helps to blend everything nicer, especially when it's a creamy foundation. You can see in this case everything is blending nicely, and you can get into all the creases and just get a perfect foundation. Also, don't forget to do your neck and blend everything nicely together. That's the start. And then for a little contouring, I'm using the CYO Cooling Bronzing Stick. And just applying that a little bit where I think the sun would hit my face, especially the cheekbones. And again, that one you can blend with your hand, and everything will just come together nicely. Nothing too wild, just a nice natural finish. It went on really dark, but you see it just blends in. And I'm going to take one more step for my face and my skin. And I'm using the Revolution Makeup Liquid Highlighter just on the tops of my cheeks. And again where the sun would hit, just for a little bit of a glow. And blend that in. I like to go in circles and then pull it towards my hairline. And just blend that in for a nice shimmery finish. That's really just where your bones would be on the highlight parts, and blend it in nicely. And then I'm going to take my palette by Makeup Obsession. This is a brand new one, and it's called the Vibin palette. And for my lid, I'm taking the color Motive, which is a nice shiny grey color, slightly bluish, and just apply that in the crease, in the lid. You don't want to go any higher than the crease. I like to use a like almost a lipstick applicator because it just gives me a lot more control. I don't have to worry about anything blending or anything like that. As usual, I tend to like 2 layers just for a bit more of a darker look. I really like how this color looks. So shiny as well. And then I grab my fluffy brush. I don't know what it is because I've had it for 100 years. And I took the color Wavey and I put that one in my crease, just backwards and forwards. Don't worry about it getting messy because you can blend it all together later. I want the two colors to mix in this case, so just put on as much as you feel comfortable with. And give the crease some highlight, some shine. Because when we're finished, it'll all blend together nicely. Blend the two colors together there with the other brush. Just make sure that looks nice. Not at all complicated, and don't worry about it looking messy for now. So then I took the fluffy brush again, and I took the color called Stuntin, and it's a really dark grey from the same palette, and I just applied that on the outer part of my eye, almost in a V shape, sideways V shape, and blended it into the crease just a little bit. And you see how that picks up anything that fell in the crease there and blends everything nicely. Gives it a bit of drama. There we go. I like my corners, my outer corners, to be nice and dark, so I went back in and corrected those. So then I took my angle brush, I just took the same dark color and applied that underneath my eye. And made sure the two corners, they were touching. Just the outer corner of your eye, all the way out, and blend the corners. No need for under eyeliner, just a nice blend of colors. There we go, that's the eyeshadow part. And just be careful to make sure everything is blending nicely together and touching. You'll always see me go back and correct stuff. So the next step, I took the Essence liquid ink, and that's the new eyeliner. It's waterproof. And just applied that on the top of my lid. And this one you got to be careful because the brush is not as easy to use as the previous one that I had. I like going backwards and forwards and just correcting anything that goes wrong. Also makes it a little bit darker when you can apply more layers. That one definitely gives a more liquid look as well. That's the eyes almost done. And I finally got new mascara, and it was the Essence All Eyes on Me waterproof mascara in black. I love this brand, and I believe most of it is vegan, so I can show you how I apply that, just top and bottom. For the bottom lashes, I just gently touch the lashes because I don't have very much, so there's not much to brush. And in this case, I put on 2 layers just for a little drama. And just darkens the line there. Nice and easy, and you have great smoky eyes with this look. you go, that's almost the whole finished look. The eyes came together nicely, and the finishing touch is by Makeup Obsession, and it's just a lip topper. Keeping the lips nice and simple for this look. You can put on as many layers as you need, but I love the way these shine. So that's all I need for this look. So this is the final look, and I'm wearing my glasses so I can see. It's a very basic smoky eye, so I hope you enjoyed how I did this tutorial, and don't forget to follow me on LiketoKnowIt as well, so you can have some great deals and shop some new vegan products. So thanks for watching and have a good day. So here we go, excited with the new eyeliner, and right in the eye. Oh, and again, oh my god. Eyes are burning. I'm going to need to walk this one off. And now that we've put on our foundation, we've blended it in, and we're going in with the concealer. Just to highlight the eyes and give us a base for the makeup. And here we go, we're going to blend that in, all natural, all over the eye area, especially the eye area. Yep, here we go, blending. Totally blending. Nope.